If the rear fog light isn't working in your Kia Sportage, it could be due to a blown fuse. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of locating and replacing the rear fog light fuse in the passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. To access it, you will have to remove its panel or plastic cover. Grab the handle on the cover and then pull it out. Inside, you will find a cluster of fuses for different systems of your vehicle. So how do you know which one is for the rear fog light? It's easy, just look at the diagram on the back of the fuse box cover. Find the fuse labeled as rear, and it also has a fog light symbol. It's the third fuse in the column from the bottom left corner, and it's a 10 amp fuse. Once you have located the fuse, let's check if it's blown. There are three methods you can use to check a fuse: with a test light, physical inspection, and with the multimeter. First, the test light method. Turn on the ignition and connect the test light to a ground. Touch the test light probe to both ends of the fuse. If the test light illuminates on both sides, the fuse is good. If it only lights up on one side, the fuse is blown. Next, the physical inspection method. Carefully pull the fuse out using a fuse puller or a pair of needle nose pliers. Look through the transparent body of the fuse. If the metal wire inside is broken or burnt, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. Lastly, the multimeter method. Set your multimeter to the continuity or resistance setting. Touch the probes to the metal contacts on the fuse. If you hear a beep or see zero resistance reading, the fuse is good. If there is no beep or the mirror reads infinite resistance, the fuse is blown. Once you have confirmed the fuse is blown, replace it with a new 10 amp fuse. Kia Sportage has spare fuses in the engine compartment fuse box. Pull up the cover of the fuse box and with the help of the diagram on the back, locate the 10 amp spare fuse on the top left corner. Now push the new fuse into the slot until it's securely in place. After replacing the fuse, close the fuse box and test your rear fog light to ensure it's working properly. If the fuse is good but the fog light is still not working, check the bulb itself. It might be burned out. Replace the bulb and see if that resolves the issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.